who are a more dry skin, so your creams are going to be better because they have a wax content in them and they help to lock in the moisture to the skin. Or we have our Leave-On Collagen Mask. These are great for busy girls. Sleep in it, it's going to give the skin a big boost of hydration, or pop it under your makeup as a primer, also to hydrate the skin. So I'm going to use the Leave-On Collagen Mask now, so your skin gets a nice boost. So it is a mask, so it is thicker, but you can apply it onto the skin and just massage it in till it's gone. So always when you're working the skin, inside to outside, it can go over the eye area and just down onto the throat. If you're going to be just at home with this mask, you can not work it into the skin as much, but to go to bed, just before you go, just work it into the skin. And you can see now, skin's just got a little bit of a glow to it. And in the morning, you'll just take that off with your floral extract. Just pop up. You can see how clean, bright, smooth, feels nice. Feels good. Excellent.